Here's a quick lesson to check how many times your ad has been shown to your audience in the Facebook news feed. The reason that I want to show you this is because we've all been browsing on our Facebook news feed and we keep seeing the same ad from the same advertisers over and over again. Now, this can get quite annoying for a user. And I'm sure a lot of advertisers don't know that they're doing this. So there is a fine line between showing your ad enough for it to be seen and being annoying. There is a fine line. So when your ad starts to being shown, towards 8, 10 plus times, it might be time to refresh your creative. And what that means is you can still have the same message or the same offer in your ad, but how about rewording the ad? How about changing the photo or the video, making it look a little bit different? And that will also help with your performance, because people over time become blind to ads. So as you refresh your creative, they will see new content and hopefully become interested again. So here's just a quick lesson to check how many times your ad has been seen. So we're in Facebook Account Manager, and you choose your campaign, and you go to the side here and you click on delivery. And so this one, and then here is frequency, the average number of times each person saw your ad. So these ones here are very low, 1.23, 1.5 out, and etc. You can go to your ad sets if you've got more than one audience set up, and you can see which audience, how many times each audience has seen which ads. And again, if you've got more than one ad, you can see. So this is where you check how many times your ads have been seen by your audience. And the reason for doing that is so we keep our ads fresh and we don't annoy our potential customers. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.